Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Dextromethorphan, a common ingredient found in over-the-counter cough medicines, offers relief by suppressing cough. Popular brands include Robitussin, Delsum, and NyQuil, among others. Always check the label to confirm the presence of dextromethorphan and follow the recommended dosage instructions to ensure safe and effective use.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.